The highly anticipated Tubô Cebu Art Fair 2024 has returned, officially launching on Friday, August 30. The opening featured a ribbon-cutting ceremony with special guests Ayala Center Cebu General Manager 𝗂𝗍𝗯𝘂, Arts Council of Cebu Foundation Incorporated President Dr. Vivina Chu, and Portrait Artists Society of the Philippines founder Romulo Gallicano. The event also unveiled Pusô, a striking installation art piece by Mikhail Achos that symbolizes Cebuano heritage. This year's art fair-themed Ascend introduces 3 innovative art stations. The Tubô Cebu Art Fair team, led by Fair Director and Arts Council Trustee Alan Tan and Fair Curator 𝗂𝗍𝗃, discussed the inspiration behind this year's concept.
Feeling is that you shouldn't always stay linear, no? When you're doing something, you always want to improve, to uplift yourself and to try to get better. So Ascend is an invitation to ourselves and to our exhibitors to rise together, to try to become better together, to try to always improve.
The way we group the curation of the fair is that this one is Enclaves. We're putting here in the tent more established art groups and artists that you can see immediately. It's Cebuano realism, more mature art style, and the landscape, the seascapes, the more figurative. So you can see it here. And then in the gallery, dito sa Sud, you can see that's the encounter section. It's more experimental and more youthful. So there's more conceptual works and more pop and different explorations in colors and techniques. Not the same here, it's more unified style. But there it's very personal. And then in the activity center, you can see the works of, the section is called Emerge. It is intended for first-time participants and more younger artists, artists from different schools and universities, with the hope that giving them that platform to participate, that would really give them encouragement to proceed and to do some more work.
With over 300 local artists participating, the meticulously curated fair highlights the significance of this annual event for Cebuano artists. 𝗂𝗍𝗃 emphasized its impact on the local art scene.
Back then, it was very difficult to find where the artists are, and it's always hard to get to collect their works. But now with these kinds of fair that our collectors can see and our artists are given the platform to showcase their work, and our collectors could see and appreciate their works, there's really that kind of development. So what is special with Tubô is not just our care for the artist, but much more our concern and care for the growth of art collecting in Cebu. Because even if we have a lot of artists showing, a lot of artists producing work, if we don't have patrons to support them, if we could not link them to buyers and collectors, it would be very hard for their survival as well. They would be discouraged. They will not be producing more because no one would appreciate and buy their work. So that's what we are doing in Tubô, to link our artists with our buyers, our collectors, that together we can actually make Cebuano art grow.
The local Cebuano art collective, 𝗺𝗃, shared their experiences of working as a group with diverse concepts and expressed their gratitude for the Tubô Cebu Art Fair.
Group kay art ko, meaning ana kay short version na siya sa artist kunuhay. Nganong mauna mong gipili ngangan? Wa lang. Mga artist mang kunuhay mi. Mora na mong gipili. So mostly it's about perspective. Kung unsa ang perspective sa viewer. Mostly akong gi-disconnect ang ako ang self sa akong from art nga in favor of unsay conversation nga mahitabo bahin sa artwork ug sa viewer.
Actually bag-o siya sa ako, bag-o siya nga style, and na-evolve siya throughout my kanang practice. Practice na ako nga nag-cartoon-ish na ako sa akong mga artworks. Onya sa akong previous nga artworks gyud kay nag-realistic approach ko, nya emerge na ako with mga contemporary nga approach. Nya karon naka-help ang tubo sa ako sa pag-expose ani nga mga new set of artworks na ako.
Akong art is mix siya sa akong journey sa pag-use sa medium. So ang akong gi-present karon is a mix of acrylic, watercolor and oil. Dili siya recent mga works is because ganahan ko nga mag-move on na sa kuan kay recent na ko nga mga works karon is watercolor na jud. So ako nag-let go ang mga oil, acrylics kay mo focus ako sa watercolor.
Ako ang medium is acrylic on canvas and ako ang kuan kay is more on portrait kay para sa ko simple gesture or simple nga poster kay mohatag na siya message ba like body language mangguro na something like ana.
My works are mostly about like the divine being and ethereal happenings. So that's what I'm focusing on, and it's my way to connect with my spirit, with being myself. So this is actually my first time joining Tubô. So dako og tabang ang Tubô for exposure, makaila og mga collectors and fellow artists.
Tubô Cebu Art Fair 2024 stands as a testament to the vibrant local art scene, celebrating a fusion of distinct talents, innovation, and creative excellence. This has been 𝗀𝗶𝗯𝗂 𝗙𝗶𝗄𝗆 for MyTV Cebu.